gonna slip. It's gonna slip. It's not gonna slip. I'm an idiot. It's time to work on the boat again. Today we're going to be working on the front windshields. As the last time you saw me, I was out there breaking the glass. Today what we're going to be doing is cutting some of the plexiglass to put on the front. So buckle up, let's see what we can do today. All right, now that we're back, we've got our cardboard. And actually, I went ahead the other day and cut this out, put it on there. It's actually last Sunday, I just didn't film this. It was cold, I was kind of rushed and just didn't feel like filming. But anyway, so what we did is we ended up taking this piece of cardboard out, measuring everything out, and then cutting out what the window template would be like. Cut it a little bit too big. I'm glad I used the cardboard. But what we're gonna end up doing today is getting another piece of cardboard, not this one, and we're going to cut it out, go see if it fits on the front of the boat where the windows are, and then cut this piece of plexiglass that we've got right here. As you'll see, this came from the hockey rink that I helped manage because they had some pieces that broke. And anyway, this is one of them. We've already cut off the bottom. But what we're gonna end up doing now is actually cutting this to where it needs to be, and then we're going to wet sand it, clean it off nice and make it nice and clean, nice and shiny, nice and actually clear, transparent so you can see through it. And then we'll put some ceramic coating on top of it. But first, let's go ahead and grab one of the windows and see if we can make this work on a different piece of cardboard. I guess I should go get the window. Let's see. Piece of plexiglass is just not big enough, so let's go get the other one. You know, I guess I could open the garage door, but that doesn't make for good content now, does it, folks? See, this one's got a big old crack in it right here, right where we need it to be, which is fine. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come down to here. I don't know the actual inches, I'll have to get that out when I get my tape measure back out. And we're gonna cut this straight over, cut it at I know 41.5 inches wide, place our template on top of it, wham bam, thank you ma'am. So, you know what? I don't think we're gonna try to do this again. I think we're just going to wing it. Let's go. And I know I use the other piece. Use the back part of this, because the way that these go in is that put this up against the wall and then you put it in. And then on your inside wall, you put another piece of trim that goes around here, and then there's screw holes that go around. And then you tighten the screw holes and it clamps it together. I retract my statement. Probably need to put this on here and see. That was way too big. Way too big. No, I'm an idiot. I bet I cut on the outside of that line instead of the inside. I know this is super boring. I'm trying to figure out what I did wrong. This is way. Ow. Just a part here. All right, now that I thought about this for 12 minutes, let's Stop thinking about it so much. Rip and rip. That's good. That's good. On the side here. Oh yeah, look at that major gap. You can see that. Huge gap. See? That's why it was falling around and moving around. All right, got my pencil and a Sharpie. Coffee break. I'll pick you up. Oh, it's gonna slip. It's gonna slip. It's not gonna slip. It's not gonna slip. All right. Let's go. I don't know if you can see all that, but maybe, maybe not. I wanted to cut that piece out first, but that's what we'll have to do. We'll see what it looks like on the boat. Let's see. Like it look like this. We'll sit something like that. Going up like that. And now, let's see what that looks like. I like that or not. Once it's tinted.